In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert copyright, registered, and trademark symbols in Microsoft Word. There are two simple ways to do this, and you can choose whichever feels fastest for you. First up is the autocorrect method. This is great when you're typing and don't want to break your flow. All you need to do is type the shorthand in parentheses, type C for the copyright symbol, R for the registered symbol, and TM for the trademark symbol. As soon as you press the spacebar or continue typing, Word will automatically convert those to the proper symbols, C, R, and TM. Make sure you include the parentheses with no spaces inside them and use lowercase letters. If you ever notice that nothing changes, it may be because autocorrect is turned off or the text is in a format that doesn't apply autocorrect, like a code block or a field. In most cases, though, this works instantly and keeps your writing moving. Now, if you want precise control over where and how the symbol appears, or you're inserting it less frequently, use the insert symbol method. Place your cursor exactly where you want the symbol to appear. Go to the Insert tab on the ribbon at the top of Word. On the right side, click Symbol, and then choose More Symbols. This opens a panel with a full list of characters. Scroll until you find the copyright symbol, C, the registered symbol, R, or the trademark symbol, TM. Click the one you want, then click Insert. The symbol will appear right where your cursor is. You can keep inserting more symbols from the same window, and when you're done, close the panel and continue editing. This method is especially handy if you're matching a specific font or size, since Word will insert the symbol in the same style as your surrounding text. A quick note about compatibility. Both the autocorrect shortcut and the insert symbol options work in all recent versions of Microsoft Word, including on Windows and Mac. On Mac, the symbol button is in the same Insert tab, and the workflow is essentially identical. To recap, use the autocorrect method for speed. Just type C, ER, or TM as you write, and use insert symbol when you want to pick and place the exact character from Word's symbol library. With these two approaches, you'll always have the right symbol at the right time. Thanks for watching, and happy writing!